Bill Goudy checking in. Can you hear that? That's Lucy Lou. She's got something cornered underneath an old outhouse. I'm just using it for a storage shed, but it's all weeded in. Weeds have grown up all around it. Trees, little trees are growing around it. She's got something cornered under it. I can't get in there. What is it, Luz? What is it? It's pretty thick in there. She's got something cornered. Must be a possum, I think. Or a groundhog. It's underneath this old, in all these weeds here. I got an old outhouse. Can you see it? Barely see it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get in here and get this cleaned out. That's for sure. Yeah. You got something cornered underneath there. Good girl. You're a good girl. Well, I'd like to help you out, but I can't get in there, girl. I can't get in there. You know what time it is. Look at the goodness. Oh my goodness, I don't have my neck knife. But guess what I do have? Guess what I got this from? And this is what this video is all about. Yeah, I got this from Carolina Chris. It's a bottle cap opener. I suppose you could twist. I think it just twists off like that and it holds the cap in. Even if you didn't have the twist type, I think it would pop. It could pry off as well. And it looks like it's made for for prying. And it looks like it's been used too for prying a couple of times. But it works good. So I better get to pouring because these frosted mugs don't stay frosted in this 86-degree weather. Oh, look at that. Look at that goodness. I've waited all day for this. Dick Bartley's on the radio. Oh. Oh man. Is that good? I got a campfire going. And I just got coals. I'm letting it get down to the coals because I'll tell you what I'm going to do. What this video is all about, Carolina Chris. He made some Salisbury steak. And he has a history about the Salisbury, Dr. James Salisbury and the Salisbury steak. I don't know about the history, but I know about the flavor. Yeah. And you know, he said in his recipe, he used breadcrumbs. And he knew that wasn't low carb. But guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use breadcrumbs. But I'm using the sprouted grain breadcrumbs. Yeah, I'm going to use Ezekiel bread. Grind it up, finely chopped. And the breadcrumbs from the Ezekiel bread will be my filler in my Salisbury steak. I made the patties with all the fixins and all the mixtures, yeah, the seasonings. And I let them sit in the fridge all afternoon. And now it's, I don't know, 6:30, about 6:30 I think, maybe 7. I want to thank the people at Campmaid. They just make an awesome product. I'll have a link for them below. Check it out. Enter Goudy 20. Yeah, you'll get a 20% discount. Can't beat it. Look at that. Pre-goodness, will you? That's pre-goodness right there. Let's get that pan hot. And we'll sear these on both sides. Brown them first. Look at the goodness. It is time. It is time to add the gravy, mushrooms, and onions. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use. Carolina Chris used a packet. I'm using already made. There's 3 grams, only 1%. But what's happening is this is made with, yeah, a whole wheat flour, enriched flour, and I'm avoiding that usually. Do I dare have another? Sun's going down. It's cooking. Lucy is right over there. She's quit the chase. I think it's time. Thank you, Wild West. He bought me that glass. Oh, one more. Well, maybe 2. One more right now, and then one more later with the meal. You know, that cap is in there. I guess. I don't know how to get that out. I found an easy fix. When that cap is stuck in there, just take an empty bottle, screw it back in, and pull it out. That's how easy it is. All right, sorry, Carolina Chris. I don't need to bother you. Yeah, it says home opener right on it. It's all a matter of, you know, getting used to using it. I like it. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's check on it and see what it looks like. Oh, look. Oh, you could smell that aroma. Just sitting there cooking. That's just the way I want it too. But I'm gonna cook it just a little bit longer. I want those onions to be just a little more tender, I think. Oh, that looks so good. I'm going to rotate it. Oh, about like that for now. We're running out of daylight. Story of my life. That's for sure. I bought a new lantern. LED lantern from the farm store. It was on sale for 10 bucks. I think we'll give it a try. Be a perfect opportunity. Lucy's right over here. She's done chasing. She's just sniffing around over there. All right, I'll bring you back when I think we're done. Yeah. Oh, look at that goodness. You heard me say it. Oh, look at that. Let's dig into that, shall we? Look at that. Oh, that's a lot of food. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I wish you could smell that. Oh, small salad, lettuce salad, yeah, fresh jalapenos from the garden. Oh, look at that. Let's dig into that, shall we? Look. Oh, look at the tenderness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my. Was that worth the wait? Oh, can I taste the smoke? I can taste the jalapeno and the onion. That is so good. Look. Oh my. That is so good. That's well worth the wait. I'm telling you. Listen to Dick Bartley. Got my lantern going. Having my third beverage right now. That is so good. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.